turacha gwirigiriria amabati anda onsiaria utagiti showroom yetu nigo ere enkare eyuerengia na boigo ekogokia riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntubwate team ya tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereria kende gensi uraganie bagotebereria company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate no corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibego babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asama mabati alia ye chigage emeronge bire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia chaco gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kwabo gutumika chinga cyo gwakeranya amabati liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase MRM showroom onyare kwabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo guchane warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumu chuyigo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetra ase namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getembe Television, Ekeonga, Kiamamogusi.
Mwanche murigere wa Getembe TV no morogobo myabwiri tugerigere Jumatano chitariki 25 mutinyino yo kabiro mwaka no jibwechiri bubere 25 mwanche murigereria na mange abigenderere kweneki wa ase ensi ya Kenya nene mono ase tara yo murai wense rogongoro rwa coast erikoro tota na boigo go cha kya mirobiri ase rogongoro rwa coast boigo koro ase county cha Guse county ya Kisii ne county ya Nyamira na kwa rigeneire ayatare make Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi Nyaboga Wilson Makori nero kuro sensemeri majiro kabana into Ikomi. Secretary General wekiama kirikia UPA gose United Progressive Alliance Moske Jacob Bagaka nigeso kirena gote babuna nigo Moske Fred Okenga Matianyi arache gotene nane kiame kyo bose bobo chori osekera arache korigia oborai wense omwaka wechiri bubere 25 korende Bagaka niga wegatebire nabe byame binge byamobwatire Matianyi nigo arache gotene kia UPA okobana kirache koba ekiama ekenene omwaka oyo 2027.
I want to clarify chichama nechi nyinge chia muganirio Mheshimiwa Matiangi gutena gwetera ticket yabo patio Mheshimiwa Matiangi ekarako gande sabari go sobo kobo bwo kuliekero kia obo president 2027 ata kogenda asemese yo gwikaransa achigusabe yanga kubeka guchia soboko gwikaru akabegete yanga yaye tumakumira na bali bande tumakoro soboko na kingotebera butambe nga umushimo Matiang'i igagotena ne chama ya UPA, United Progressive Alliance Party. Pati chama ya UPA tego kora yoke moire State House chichama chini mna Jubilee, TSP, PNU chioro kirio munguso utwara na remne candidate. Pati umuske Matiang'i is going to the ballot kago tumia chama ya UPA yako nere chama yae ama kumena ne chions picha toro munguso cha sale chiro sie coalition national in nature egera kro munguso to keme mweko ya to keme umuntu ku coast to keme umukamba to keme tumakoro toro sia serikali 2027 nimba to kwegena nga 2027 ni mugusia nyota ya arokanire na ande president ya Kenya 2027 no musike Fred Okengo Matiang'i manya kuruoro mboli abagusi ba mintona leaders boss tuarolile togo tebi nga nande tukabwate candidate chinde nara umusike Manson Oyongo kago tebange tubwache candidate isa tobono na wikato ikaransamu torangelinga tukabwate gosemura rakebaso tukabwate umusike Maraga tukabwate Matiang'i intumuna abagusi ntoli kumerana osentoli go chichamo tuchikorenge ngoto korenge lyo chikobe president etoko chichamo kwa Fred Matiang'i chikura. We are not coming together nga gochobo mubomo gusi tuchikorenge ngo turachora sabantu abatatu sabantu 10 gose 500 etogo chichamo kwa umuske Fred Okengo Matiang'i chikura. Our fact go to unite boniga muno mugusi umushima Fred Matiang'i taliyo go chichamo gochakanande kwa nga ngora ira umwesimiwa Maraga no montomia no mugusio minto lakini boniga gasitua mwanchira akole ne yokurande akasome buku
Temorigereria togoska bosio na ekera aboro kyo bachakira mutumuko moke gose halftime nigo bono abayibori baboriwe ko bamaiso bunenchira yamo yokorenda na korotota ebyabana babo bagokora engakiyiga bare aseru sase boigo aboro kyo baboriwe ko babayiweri gochia ase abana babo uko na Getembe ninge gati abayibori boigo basabira barundi abechi pigipigi na boiga bamatatu ko bamaiso bunenchira yamo yokorenda amagima yabana
abana tigabarendwe na kero muntu
moba abana bakoigwera abayibori na mwana onde bwanse koigwera omoibori na ne skuru ni garo mungaini
baira abana babarundi ngora ba umisonde ba minimize accidents na ande babwatia majika itotobegeta traffic rules na majika boda stage mbali ebyazale ebya boda mbibwata matemo umwana wanzi wasoire byazale bigonjire kibeza koja koruo ne getiro igona abayibori na intumuna stakeholder nabagambi naba chief na security matokonye abana ababoda mbaso abana abeskuru mbaso azebyasara bya boda elinde basome amasomo namaya
iseke beskuru kimoroche moko bogulio mwana bwo bwiseke nandi kwa suspect ringo mwana ono ibwe skuru igabogo irigo chiasabe gakyayerende naye nitukeli monobo moibori kani omumuro yo boda ngatigana no mwana oye nyaruko moiseke arasoma
ese location yane it is a must thing mwana ta yora to ko bwe skuru ese chiporo pour tepos gamboring was a video source na mwana ondo konya koranda keroka it is my work igera to komera na bana na baiboli batebi abana baina nyomonto gocha keroka for a business ya gocha na koirana
Chomorigereria asetaro yae ya magendro aneno mono korotota na bayo gocha kimirobiru ya magendro rogongorwa coast litkoria rero gosimambia rero nigo muraibwense aika ase county ya Kilifi abu asacha kimirobiru aneno mono bwagachwe chipara na bayo kwana na chistima gocha ase binyoro okwana asomo cho Kilifi muraibwense ni gaboria bakenya kweri kyano murobiru sha erigo chikororo bya chinga kichiri bako chikonyora obo bwenia chinga kichi ase nyagitara ase bayo ateba kirenge kenene yoko wagacha chinyomba cha magurianse na boigo wagacha wechipara no gochakya korigeria abasaye amabaga yemeremo.
Nataka mambo ya matibabu ianze pale kijijini. Kila kijiji iwe na muuguzi ambaye amefundishwa, ambaye yako na equipment, anaweza kuwapima na kujua nani anahitaji kwenda hospitali na nani anahitaji usaidizi wa aina gani. Tumebadilisha pia mfumo wa mambo ya matibabu Kenya. Pale nyuma tulikuwa na mambo ya NHIF. NHIF ilikuwa zaidi inapendelea watu wenye wako na ajira na watu wenye wako na uwezo. Lakini sio wenye ajira na uwezo peke yao wanapata kuwa wagonjwa. Wakenya wote wanaweza kuwa wagonjwa. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Na ndio tukasema tunabadilisha mfumo wa matibabu Kenya. ili tuwe na bima ambayo inaweza kuwashughulikia wale wenye ajira na wasiwe na ajira, wale wenye uwezo na hata wale hawana uwezo. Na mimi nataka mnisikize watu wa Mariakani. Katika mfumo huu wa SHA tumesema hivi, wewe mwananchi wa kawaida mnisikize kwa makini. Kama hauna uwezo, serikali ya Kenya itakulipia. Yule ambaye huko na uwezo utalipa kulingana na uwezo wako. Lakini wewe ambaye huna uwezo, jisajili. Alafu serikali ya Kenya tutapanga vile mambo yako ya matibabu yatasonga mbele. Vile tulikubaliana na Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga ambaye alikuwa ni mshindani wangu wa mkubwa mwaka wa 2022 uchaguzi uliopita. Tumekubaliana ya kwamba Kenya ni ya muhimu kuliko kiongozi yeyote. Sote tunaungana kwa minajili ya kushughulika na msukumo ambayo itabadilisha Kenya.
Nchomorigereria tutigarite ase kaunti ya Kilifi abasabarai n'abawaziri baikirana asayo bakorawo no mukonyi b'umurai bwensi ya Kenya Muske Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki niga bamwa umurai bwensi okoboka ase ganga yokoreta magendro nabo yokorosia eserekari yobomo no murai Raila Odinga ase boigo bamwiranire bya asoko gendra korosira abasai amabagaje mirimo
ni wake mkuu Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga, kwa sababu siasa imekwisha. Na sasa timu yetu ni timu kubwa, inaitwa timu ya mapana na marefu, broad based administration. Tuko pale sisi zote, tuko pale na Joho na Mngaro na Amina Mnyazi na viongozi wote waliokuwa mirengo tofauti, ili nchi yetu iwe na umoja, ili tupate maendeleo ya haraka. So as we are creating jobs for our young people in the country, out of the country, through the ICT digital jobs, anywhere we can find a job, we will create a job for the people of Kenya. And finally, we need to stand united as a country. Elections come once every 5 years. In between elections, we have a moment and time to unite and build our country.
Wote, pasipo na mirengo ya kisiasa, pasipo na migawanyiko ya kabila, amehakikisha tuko kitu kimoja, tuko timu Kenya. Kwa hivyo mimi nawauliza wananchi, wakati rais anaendelea na juhudi ya kuunganisha, tumuunge mkono ili nchi yetu iweze kuwa na uthabiti wa maendeleo na
tunaanza na usawa wa maendeleo, baadaye tunatafuta usawa wa kisiasa, ama sivyo? Mimi nasema hivi, hii pwani nikipima kule mbele, nikiangalia mbali, tukifanya kazi na William Ruto leo, tumunge mkono leo, tumshikililie afanyie kazi wa Kenya, hata yeye kesho atutuangalia na huruma. Si namna hiyo? Situjipange kama wapwani. Nyinyi hamtaki siku moja kutoa rais?
Mawaziri w'obachano Muskede Praparasa ni aikirana bose b'ibunge ya Senate bambya rero bunenchire yamo yo kwiraneria amabore igoro yo muroberio w'obachano bose bokwana no bachano muroberio ryo moya osha asebono airere gatie miroberio eria serikali yabekire kweneke buna umuroberio yungo ikiranora asinga kechecho airera egatia makongwario umuroberio yo keroro moya obeire kogwetera.
Priority was to ensure that all Kenyans are registered. That way they can be able to access services. And so this is a priority to us, registration. Additionally, health financing, ensuring that contributions are coming up. With regards to the benefit package, we are having an advisory team that is meeting routinely to ensure that the package meets the needs of Kenyans. Key challenges that we have faced as a ministry is ensuring that the drugs reach the last mile and ensuring that we have accessibility to essential medicines. And under the UHC, that is the Taifa Care, we are really working tirelessly to ensure that, first of all, we have recapitalization of medicines in KEMSA, and again, that they are reaching the last mile, that is to the facilities up to level 2 and 3 for accessibility by patients. Now, what we have talked about and we are really ensuring that we implement is that SHA will pay. The counties will, SHA will, after the counties have requested, what will happen is SHA will pay directly for medicines before the money is released to counties. That is, when they receive the money from, from the claims, part of the areas, apart from ensuring that they are paying the claims, they will ensure that medicines are also withdrawn from that money, and that way before the money is released to the county. So it is an area that we are looking into together with SHA to ensure that we are paying up for the medicines before the rest of the money is released. And that way we want to ensure that KEMSA is routinely recapitalized, it has resources, it has essential medicines to be able to supply at county level. I don't know if I've made sense.
Moseneta we county ya Kisii omoske mumaima bonyonga oyo ingase gikareki kya baseneta nigo nere amoche murobire orio SHA no orio chief asateba turakora mirimo buneganeire korengana nebirengerero bya bakenya asebono abuli abaseneta bamwabo kurigerere buye mirobire yibere na onyeteri gochigoikerania magani obuneganeire osenyeteri gochigokora mirimo buneganeire nigo barache gochencha na kuirania abakenya konara gotumeka murobire orio mukoro murobire orio inge kuruko NHIF.
I believe that this discussion that we are having in this house is futile. It's an exercise in futility. Because the questions we have are close to 30. Like me, I've not even asked her who are the owners of the financial platform. She's insisting that SHA and Chief are working. The reality is that everybody in our republic is talking about how that system doesn't work. In fact, I even want her to explain to me why NHIF was removed from providing the basic services. We knew that NHIF had issues of corruption and mismanagement in terms of the payments which were being, we knew all that. But you see, Mr. Speaker, what has happened is, I see the CS really struggling. Can I make a special request? Because I had the majority leader make a contribution, and indeed, the speaker who left before you came in did not pronounce himself what we need to do. I believe that this matter cannot be interrogated on the floor of the House. Maybe we need to have it in committee so that we can spend even a whole day to run through the figures, to ask those critical questions, because everything I hear here, Mr. Speaker, is like this whole exercise is just a confusion and a rearrangement of things which I don't even understand. And Mr. Speaker, I'm not very literate. I'm averagely somebody who's been to school. So can we, as a Senate, ask the CS so that she can go and prepare herself, so that she can bring we go through this with a tooth comb, so that once and for all, we may be able to decide, is it working or it's not? If it's not working, we go back to NHIF and fix it so that it continues working, because NHIF was doing better.
Murigereria gwikira gavana tugikira mwere w'Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi ritukiria Jumatano senchira yo wenga mwere korenda yamana yanda mange no tukanyara so gwikira no Chinsa ibere na Chinsa nyecho botkuba rero no yo minto Clinton ondigi nago sabeire omarigiri burobia ase emirobe ya Getembe TV ko bwate nane ngo kwiraniria mbya mono akuba kwa bere na inche korabwaga kete gwikira Chinsa chigane ne mono ase mese Ekeonga nchenka treni Nyaboga wisoni makori kro sense mere imanyiro bye bye to brana ritukiria angyo.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Eduka yo bomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ilikuwatoka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure egwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba isiko ya nyumba chire chikomentra nibwa amavuta yani oil na wigo chiria chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chiri kurwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabatinu wigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo gwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye wochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na wokwege namuna ikale au atagite ni gukwaya nyora gwikirano tutarire rero eliwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo Ekeonga enyumba yao use asomenyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke nyega ya Uhuru Superstores yegotoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Ine